Hi, my name is Dene and I come from Dene village that's 250 miles north of Mackenzie, and my parents' name is Thomas and Susan Toma. They're both passed away, so I'm dedicating these legends to them, and so that my grandchildren would hear it and other children in Dene village would enjoy listening to it. And I'm going to read the story about true colors. Once long ago, when everything was just beginning, all the birds were coloring one another. All the birds were colorless, and it was decided that each bird should be given colors, and the birds were to paint each other. The crow was a nice white bird, and he was proud of it, and he let it be known wherever he went. If birds were going to be given colors, given whatever color they wanted, he wanted to be painted with the best colors. He chose the loon as a painting partner. The loon was to be colored first, so he waited for the crow to start painting him. The crow went to work. Swish, swish went the brush. The crow painted the loon a light gray on the head, a little black with the white dots on the wings, and a nice white collar or two. But after the crow was finished, the loon looked at himself and was satisfied with what he saw. The crow told the loon, "Remember, color me as pretty as you can." And the loon said he would try his best. So the loon set to painting. The crow had his eyes closed because he wanted to have a big surprise. Meanwhile, the loon was painting and painting. At last the loon was finished, and he told the crow to keep his eyes closed a while longer, and he ran and dove into the lake. The crow opened his eyes and he cried, "Awk!" as he realized he was all black. Not one place in his body was a different color. He looked for the loon and saw him as he was coming up for air, and the crow grabbed a handful of mud and threw it at the loon, and it hit him on the back, and that is why the loon has a gray spot on his back to this day, and the crow is as black as night. And this is called True Colors. Go to Shawi Aska kada zov nan awitcha to aju aku chunja coloring le ide ko kada color le ido wachi aku per chunja saje sudu asi wachi aska chuchawe nene sirun sidwa pane ni hoke ni kulai dat askora ta ne atrai aska so chuchawe kulai dat asida classe kuda chide hok kada pane aju yidi ito tanade ta ai chuchawe kula chuza tare ta lo chinatla aska that you need in drotak adanat tango koride zal okay saje mazzi saje koride kasadu sante color le ai chuchawe chinatla lo kula kanatla de aku ai what astawatla yunen tali jusu yet aze wuchenaidis tal ay ela aku ay aska ay chutsawe mat aze wada paiwachi lo aska chutsaze de kashwachi wala idela wachi. That's it.